so don't mind me or my appearance or anything. Today's the day that I'm moving out of my childhood home. It's been like 17 years at this house. I don't know how to do this. So you come up, see, it's like messy down there, but yeah. My room, the double doors, high ceiling, ceiling fan, the bathroom, jacuzzi, window, shower, yeah, kitty, walk-in closet, linen closet, bathroom. Hello. Yeah, so this room is the first room that I was in when we first moved in here. The wallpaper is from the previous owners 17 years ago. Walk-in closet. And then after my oldest sister moved out, my other sister and I moved into this bedroom. Closet. Yeah. Then my sister and I moved from that bedroom to this bedroom. That's all of upstairs. Downstairs is messy. Downstairs area, we had a screen that went down. We had a projector right here. We had couches, so then we would have movie nights and project the movie from there. Laundry room, bathroom, windows, porch, entry, the kitchen, dining room, family room. Yep. The whole house. I'm sad. It's like bittersweet because I'm excited to move, obviously, and we've been here for so long, but I don't know. It's like more than half of my life I've been here. This is like, I'm trying to figure out the lighting. I don't know what's going on. That works. This works. Yeah. I don't know. To new memories.